Hello, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I have a fun little project today. It's not my idea, but I'll link, it's from ShanukiArt, and I'll link her video so in the description so you can see how she makes these fun little embellishments. So what you need is toothpicks, skewers, anything like that. Doesn't matter what size, unless it's for a specific project, of course. If it's inside your journal, I would suggest maybe use the small toothpicks, but you can definitely use the bigger ones. These are very thick. You can get some thinner skewers, which is what I'll be looking for at some point if I want to make more of these, which I think I will, because they are really fun to make. And you can use your scraps of paper, scraps of washi tape, scraps of ribbon, lace, yeah, anything you have. And then some embellishments like little beads or some sparkly bits, sequins, yeah, anything really. So I will just start making them, and you can follow along if you want. Basically, it is, I think I will put a bead on first, because I find it's easier to actually see where you want to put the strips. So this is going through a bit through the hole, so I'll just nip that off. That wasn't enough. Let's see if I can use the scissors. Yeah, that's a bit better. And I think I'll put a little bit of glue there so the bead doesn't fall off. Let's see if it'll have a clock. No, it's coming now. I usually get it clogged up. There we go. Yeah, I think I forgot to mention beads. Put a bead at the end. And then it's all about using your little scraps here. Just put it around. And glue it on. Make sure it's all over, because you want it to stick to the toothpick so it doesn't fall off. There we go. And we'll have another one. I think I'll have some washi tape here. And you can make it any length you want. It doesn't have to be the same. I'm just putting glue on because my washi tape is so old. I don't think it won't stick. Not for very long anyway. I just put a little bit of space between these two. And do I want one more? Let's see, what do I have? Maybe some of this. There we go. Yeah, I think that would be nice. Don't worry about the edges, the ends here. We'll take care of them later. First we need them just to glue them on. There we go. Oops. Yep, I think that's enough. And maybe you can see where I'm going now. So I am just going to cut these. This is not very, oh, it happened almost. Let's see if I can do that from that side. Yep. There we go. Get off. There we are. And the last one. See, that is a quick little project, isn't it? And it's so cute. And as I said, you can embellish them to your heart's content. What about a little flower? Whoops. Maybe down here. It's okay if it goes over two of the little flags. There we go. Something like that. And maybe I haven't actually got something blue, I think. I haven't got any. I have this blue ribbon, but that's a bit too wide. Let's see. Nope. Doesn't matter. I'll make another one with ribbon on. I had these. I think I'll put something like this in the middle of the flower. No, not that. There we go. So you don't see the hole there. Let's see if I can catch one of these. There, something sparkly. something like that. And as I said, of course, I have already tried. I've already made a few like this. Ah, that's where my blue ribbon went. And something like this. I haven't done much embellishment on these ones because I want to save them for if I find a project I want to use them. I'll find just the right thing to put on. But as I said, it's a very quick little project. You can just find your scraps and just run with it. And I have this, the bigger one as well. Could put that on a journal cover. That would be really nice, wouldn't it? This is just a paper bead I've made. And then of course a little butterfly, a little flower, washi tape. So yeah, that was my very quick project today, and I think I'll make loads more, but as I said, I will put the ShanukiArt's video down in the description, and then you can watch hers as well. And that's it for me today. I hope you will have loads of fun with this because it's really fun to make. It's not a stash buster as such, because as you can see, you don't use much, but it's fun. So yeah, you just go and find all your supplies, and I will see you next week. Bye.